Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, my hair's orange. That's basically what inspired today's look. I got this glitter gel from ColourPop and I really like it a lot. Yellow gold is my favorite kind of gold, so I decided I would incorporate that into a look with my orange hair and my red shirt. So yeah, without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to prime my eyes using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my M421 brush. Next, I'm going to buff it out using my M173 brush. Now on an M431 brush, I'm going to pick up 518 from the Morphe X James Charles palette and put that in my crease. I'm going to pack on the color first and then blend it out with that same brush. Next, on an M456 brush, I'm going to pick up Wow from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette and blend that right above the orange. Now I'm going to go back in with 518 to help intensify it. Now on that same kind of brush, I'm going to pick up You're Kidding and blend that right underneath the orange. I'm going to blend that into 518. Now on that same red brush, I'm going to pick up Red Ochre from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and pack that deepest in my crease. I'm going to take You're Kidding on an M456 brush and blend that into Red Ochre. And lastly, I'm going to go over 518 one more time with that same brush that we just used for the red. Now I'm going to pack Red Ochre on the inner and outer corners. Now I'm going to cut the lid to create the halo eye using my ColourPop concealer and my M421 brush. Now I'm going to take my pinky and blend out the edges into Red Ochre. I'm actually going to work backwards, so I'm going to put Wow on the center of my lid, go into 518, You're Kidding, and then Red Ochre. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. First, I'm going to lay down Lemon Drop from the Jawbreaker palette, and then over that, I'm going to apply the ColourPop Glitter Gel in the shade Puffin'. Love it. I'm a disco ball now. Okay, let's get started on the face. First, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. I'm going to be very glittery if I don't clean off my hands somehow. Now for foundation, just going to use my normal ColourPop foundation stick. I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of my face using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to set everywhere the weight is concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my M527 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now I'm going to zoom in so we can finish off the eyes. I'm basically going to copy the lid onto the lower lash line, so I'm going to do Red Ochre, You're Kidding, 518, and then Wow in the center. Okay, the eyes are all done, so now let's finish off the face. First, I'm going to contour using my E4 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Now for blush, I'm going to use my Morphe M405 brush and my ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Holiday. For highlight, I'm going to use my M501 brush in the shade Dream from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter Palette. I'm going to use this to highlight my Cupid's bow, nose, inner corner, and brow bone as well. Now for lips, I'm first going to go around the outer edges of my lips with Red Rum from Jeffree Star, and then I'm going to fill it in with Flamethrower. So here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!